It is Dave Shields. It is Tuesday, June, I believe it is the 26th, I'm not sure, but it is a Tuesday, June, I think we'll say 26th, 27th, maybe 28th. We're at Gray Eagle at Doctor's Lake Marina. I'm just going to take a look at her here. I'm here to get some bolts in here, growth inside this thing. Let's take a look. Although she is really, really dirty, she's actually quite a bit better than what I expected. This would still be an hourly cleaning for us, which is $150 an hour. That being said, I mean, I think somewhere 2.5 hours maybe might be what it takes. Maybe it can be a little quicker. Let's look along the back of the boat of your trip tabs. That's what you got. Cover most of the boat. Yeah, I think we can clean her up, but I do advise hauling out and making any repairs. The paint, just popped this barnacle off, and it's got allowed to get so big that it takes the paint off. That's why you want to clean with regular maintenance, because we can't just wave these off. And you can see I didn't even use a scraper and just popped that one off with my hand, and now there's no paint. There it was. Okay, let's see if we can't get this bolted here for you today. Thank you for choosing DS Diving Service.